This is the video of the Epic 16X and some of the things that I have done to repair the boat. So I'm just going to go bow to stern and going to look at the deck first. And no real repairs on the bow. There are some little dings like this. It's not uncommon for some of the gel coat to start coming off of it in small little places. I've repaired most of them. Ooh, kind of blew right by the seats. Nope, the back is this little part. I don't tend to notice it, but I mean, that might aggravate some people. The foot bar, I did some work on it. I let somebody borrow it and they pushed it out of place, but I've got it working, and the rudders, the internal rudders working. So this little hatch right here, you can see where it's been repaired. So I didn't do a really pretty job of fixing that. I didn't use a white pigment in the when I fixed that, so it's definitely not quite as pretty. Kind of goes all the way back to the back, and then this is our little built-in rudder. If you're not familiar with that, on the 16X, and so I'm going to flip it up on its right side. And so this is where I have done some repairs. The seam tape started delaminating on it, and so I've repaired a lot of that. Did a couple different repairs on it, and it is dry. It's not always pretty across the board, but it is dry. I guess I've tested it out in 1 to 2 foot waves or so. And again, you got little boogers. Where are you? There you go. You got little boogers like this that kind of show up from time to time. Again, it's solid, it's stiff, and it is dry. And this shows a couple little things. This is towards the bow, but these little holes kind of show up from time to time, and I kind of filled those in with basically just white epoxy with paint. You can see from this angle, you can see where I've come in and worked on that seam to make sure that it's dry. And so this is the hull as we go back through here, and there's some smaller kind of repairs where I basically filled in where those little chips came out of the hull. Basically, it's not structural, it's the gel coat on the outside, and so made a few repairs there. And I did a little bigger one here because there was something wonky going on right there, and so I just wanted to I basically ground that out and filled it in. It was part of the way the boat was molded. I've built several boats over the years, so anyway. And so here we are, and we've got this side over here. You can kind of see the seam on this side as well, and it's not delaminated nearly as much as on the right hand side. And that's pretty much, you can see the whole, because that's the boat. So if you have any questions, just let us know.